Hello everyone, so today we are going to make this beautiful diamond painting wall art. So let's get started. Here is the kit, and inside the kit you will get the tool, so many diamond packets as required. This is our artwork board, one easel stand, and here is a booklet. So let's get started. It's a protected film on the top of the board. Just remove it first, and you will find the auto rickshaw drawing inside this one. Now do not remove everything together, just place it little on the top this way. And let's start with the first yellow shade. You can take out these diamonds in some small plate. So we'll take out a yellow shade in one container. Now open your tool. To start with the tool, you need to fill your gel here. Again, there is one plastic film on the top. Just remove a little bit, and here you can just fill the gel inside your tool. And this you can keep it safely. Now let's pick one by one diamond, and we will just place it on the number it's mentioned. This has already adhesive on it, so this will stick nicely on the board. Just go neatly and place it on the number mentioned. Here we added all the yellow in yellow area and red into the red area, blue here in the glass, and violet color, green color. As shown in the color, we will follow the same process and we will stick all the diamond one by one. And I just love this one. I'm gonna keep this one on my desk. How about you? Let me know in comment where will you place this one. So here it's ready for my desk.